Pandemic has affected the way we work and communicate, and many of us are online now, and guess what? Those hackers and scammers, they know it. So Trey is here to help.
Yeah, that's right, Shannon. There's an email scam officials want you to be aware about. The scam preys on people's fears of being exposed and embarrassed, and here's why it works. Many of us are using video chat features like Zoom and FaceTime these days, and that means you're using your webcam. And that's what the email focuses on. You get an email from someone claiming to have hacked into your webcam, and they tell you they have video of you in your private moments. Then they threaten to release it unless you pay up. Now, some emails even have links, and if you click it, a ransom request pops up. Now, I talked to Greg Smith, VP of Sales at DataVox, and here's what he had to say.
Generally speaking, the industry advises people not to pay the ransom because there's no guarantee that you're going to get your information back or unencrypted. There's also no guarantee that they won't do it again.
Now, other things that can happen, your computer can get infected with lots of pop-ups and start running slow or glitchy. Now, in that case, you'll want to run an antivirus software. Now, here's a few other tips to help keep you safe online. Create a strong password. Also, enable two-step authentication. That's when you have a code text to you and you use that code to log in. And keep your computer's software up to date. Now, Greg also gave us a demo on things to look out for in emails. Take a look.
So this is an email that I received, and it looks like it's coming from helpdesk@datavox.net. That's where I would typically expect to get IT-related notifications. But upon deeper inspection of the address it's coming from, they've actually replaced the O in DataVox with a 0. And that's a really common practice. Usually it's very obscure, so you'll need to pay close attention to the email address. The next thing to look at is any kind of links that are you're being instructed to be sent to. Make sure that you actually hover over the link and see where that link is taking you. Another thing to look for is things like bad grammar. So oftentimes these emails and these cyber criminals are working from other countries and aren't as fluent with English as we are here.
Now, certainly some information that we can all use during this time. For more safety information and to learn more about DataVox's services, you can go to their website, datavox.net. And now we go over to Maria.